The Audi A3 is a compact luxury vehicle manufactured by the German automaker Audi since 1996. For 2015, the Audi A3 was fully redesigned, offering seating for 5 passengers with a 4-door sedan body style that replaces the old hatchback. The Audi A3 was built using ultra-lightweight technology, which uses advanced materials and construction to improve both performance and efficiency, which at the same time allow the car to be much lighter. The new 2015 Audi A3 comes in 3 different trims level, starting out with the Premium, next up will be the Premium Plus, and finally the Prestige, which comes with more options and features compared to the Premium model. You'll be able to pick from a 4-cylinder 1.8 or 2.0 TFSI gasoline engine, or a 2.0 TDI which runs by diesel technology. The one I have here today is the 2015 Audi A3 1.8T front-wheel drive featuring S-Tronic. Standard equipment included on the A3 are 17-inch wheel with all-season tires, anti-lock brake system with brake assist, panorama sunroof, Xenon Plus headlights with LED daytime running light, rain and light sensor, power exterior mirrors, leather interior, and many more. Starting out at $29,900, it is one of the most affordable Audi that you can get with plenty of luxurious features. Up front, you quickly notice the lighting that accentuate the A3. The Xenon Plus headlights feature LED daytime running lights as well as turn signal lights. Now, Audi is well known for making beautiful LED headlights with their amazing LED technology, especially on models that feature full LED headlights. And I believe the Prestige model does come with full LED headlights, which will make it look really amazing. The front ends of the A3 is particularly Audi. One thing I like the most is the lower triple blade design and the lower air dam, somewhat really aggressive but yet simple. And the Audi single frame grille, which is outlined by chrome accenting trims with the Audi 4 Rings logo. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the 17-inch 5-spoke star design wheels with 225/45 all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs for the front and the solid brake disc for the rear, and the brake caliper painted in silver. It also features electronic stability control with secondary collision brake assist and anti-lock braking system with brake assist. And here's the side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. On top is the large panoramic sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide out for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 17 inches. Behind the wheel is the set of 10.7 solid rear brake discs with the brake caliper painted in silver as well. To the back, you see the pair of LED tail lights with LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED tail lights illuminate quicker and brighter than traditional incandescent light bulbs and help alert driver behind quicker to prevent possible accidents. And the ducktail spoilers looks really slick. At the bottom, you see the rear deflectors and the black rear diffuser with dual round chrome tip exhaust. And there's the third LED brake light. Okay, on the remote I have the lock, trunk release, and unlock buttons. There you have the button to release the key, and the panic button on the side. Alright, let's open it up and check out the interior. The exterior color is known as Cooper Blue Metallic, featuring titanium gray leather interior, gray and black on the door panels, as well as the dash, with silver aluminum trims all around. Looks very simple, but still offer the classy luxury look to it. Alright, now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, insert the key into the key ignition, turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Audi A3 have to offer. Under the hood is a 1.8-liter TFSI turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 16-valve DOHC, 6-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission with front-wheel drive, pushing out 170 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 130 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 23 city, 27 highway, and 33 combined. Very impressive mile per gallon rating. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is gray at the bottom and black on the top portion with silver aluminum trims on it. There you have the lock and unlock button. All 4 windows are fully automatic. There you have the side view mirror controlled. Down there you have the trunk release buttons and the storage compartment on the door panel. There's the pedals, and a closer look at the seats. Both front seats does offer heated options. Front driver seats feature 12-way power adjustable seats, including 4-way power lumbar support. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with silver aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel really nice. Also feature multi-function control side by side for your convenience, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel to the right, you have the windshield wiper controlled. On your left is the turn signal light controlled. And here's the look to the gauge. The steering wheel does feature electromechanical power steering wheel system. And there's your cruise control. And the manual tilt and telescopic steering column. Over to the left you have the circular air vent with aluminum trims around it. Looks really sporty. At the bottom you have your light controlled, and the rear fog light controlled, and the instrument light controlled. Here's a closer look at the dash. And there's the large LCD screen. It will retract and raise up once you start the vehicle, and when you shut down it will fold into the dash completely. Really cool feature. Aluminum trims on the dash as well. The infotainment system in the Audi A3 features Audi concert radio with 10 speakers and a single CD player with MP3 playback capability, HD radio technology with Sirius XM satellite radio with 90 days free trial when you purchase the vehicle, and it does come with Bluetooth wireless technology for mobile phones and Bluetooth for streaming audio as well. Also feature a SD card slot with a 32GB operating capacity, and there's the 12-volt power outlet. Down here you have dual cup holder for driver and passenger, and here's the gearbox with S-Tronic logo in it, and it is fully wrapped in black leather. The shift knob is rounded and looks really sporty. It does offer the racy inspired look to it. Alright, just pull down to get into reverse, down again for neutral, and down again for drive, and over to the right to get into sport mode. That's when you can push it up and down to change gear. Very simple and easy to use. Okay, there you have the on and off and the volume control. And here's the controller to your infotainment system. Right, you can turn it around to move around screen, and press down to select. There you have the menu button. Now the system is really smooth. It reacts right away as soon as you give it a command. I really like it. Here you have the parking brake, center storage compartment with the Audi music interface plug, glove box compartment, and there you have the your SD slot right there. Here's a look at the passenger side door panel, and a closer look at the seat. Very nice upholstery material. Okay, on top you have the light controlled, one touch open, close, and tilt panoramic sunroof, and the manual sunshade. The panoramic sunroof can be tilted up for ventilation or slide out for an open air feeling, which is another really nice feature to have. And it does come as a standard on the A3. Here's a look at the rear view mirror, sun visor mirror, okay, here's a look at the rear seat. Rear seats offer seating for 3, and it does offer a folded option. You can fold it into 60 or 40 split. And the rear driver side door panel. Rear windows are also automatic. Alright, now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it feels in the back. But first let me show you the look to the front cabin. Front cabins is really modern looking. and a look to the top. Two air vents at the bottom for the rear passenger. Now rear seats are really comfortable. I'm 5'8" and still have some leg rooms left, and the seats are all the way back. And there you have the seat pocket. Still have plenty of leg room left. Headroom is really decent as well. I'm 5'8" and I still have about 3 or 4 inches left. And here's the look to the back. Light controlled for the rear. Okay, here you have the armrest. See, look like we have 2 cup holder. And a little storage compartment. And you can open the middle section here too to get access to the trunk. Beautiful aluminum trims on the door. Now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. Okay, the trunk looks like it's offer pretty decent of cargo space, and you can always fold down the rear seat completely down into 60 or 40 split. Let me see what we have down here. Here you have the spare tires and your tool. Pretty decent size of cargo space for its class. Okay, gas cap is located on the passenger side. With the door unlocked, you can push it in to open. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 13.2 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2015 A3 is an entry-level luxury compact car that offers seating for 5 passengers. The interior offers great upholstery material with nice aluminum trims throughout the car. Very decent interior rooms for its class. Now the Audi A3 interior is closely resembled to those of other Audis. It is simple but yet beautiful. It offers more of the modern looking cabin compared to other Audis. Now let's jump into the passenger seat and see how it feels. Really comfortable in the front seat. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the all-new 2015 Audi A3. Go ahead and leave me a comment below letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.